Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Financify, Finance Demystified. In this video, I will tell you about a new profitable airdrop and a secret trick to complete the airdrop and earn thousands of dollars. So, watch this video till end. Let's start. So, first of all, I will tell you about this token, Yfin.one. If you click on menu, token, it will show you all details about this to Yfin.one. This is DeFi aggregated platform which is new. Yfin.one is a fork of Y and Finance that open to everyone for stacking, liquidity mining, yield farming and many more. You can see airdrop countdown, so whenever you watch this video, just join this. You can read about Yfin.one. It's run on Ethereum, so it's ERC20 contract, address, token symbol, token name and decimal. I am excited for this airdrop because of its total supply of Yfin is only 40,000, which is going to add much value on this. And it's going to distribute 5,000 Yfin in airdrop, which I will tell you how to acquire this. And it's going to list on Uniswap, Hotbit, OX and Coinbase also. These all are top 10 crypto exchange till now, which will add more value to it. And they are adding trading and stacking platform also in their mobile application, which is coming very soon. So let's join this airdrop. Click on this airdrop icon. It will show you my sales dashboard. You can see my balance is 0.72 Yfins and I have referred 32 people. At the last of this video, I will tell how to refer this much people very soon. And I have withdrawn approx 4 Yfins till now. If you scroll down, you will see the current phase, pre-sale phase 2. If you join this phase 2, you have to transfer 1 ETH, means Ethereum, which is currently value of $1,900, which is approx 1,36,000 in Indian rupees, to this wallet address. You have to transfer this 1 Ethereum to this wallet address, and in return they will give you 60 Yfins. As you can see here, 1 ETH is equal to 60 Yfin. That means 1 Yfin is equal to $31, approx 2,280 rupees. It's before listing. So after listing, what will happen? You can imagine. Don't worry, you don't have to pay 1 ETH. I will tell you how to join their free airdrop and take huge profit. You have to just do little hard work and efforts. You can see my withdrawal record also. I have withdrawn 1.08 Yfins 3 times. So without wasting time, let's join this airdrop. Copy this link, which you will get from my description, and you can also join my Telegram channel, so you can get my link, this link very easily. Copy this link and paste on your trust wallet. Just select your wallet. You have to select your Ethereum wallet. If you don't have a specific Ethereum wallet, you can create from this plus icon. I already have a wallet. Select Ethereum and paste your multi-coin wallet phrase, and you will create your wallet. So just click on Ethereum wallet, open dApps and search that link. You can also search this link on Google. It will open this like interface. Your sale dashboard. Enter your Ethereum wallet address to connect. You can get your Ethereum wallet address from here. Ethereum, copy and paste this on your Ethereum here. Connect it. You have to just do this much and you're done. You have joined this airdrop. You will get 0.12 YFIN instant. And you can see here your referral count, your total rewards. It's your specific referral link to which you have to refer to your friends and family to withdraw this YFIN. As if you withdraw this click on withdraw, it will tell you less than 1 YFIN, which means you have to refer 8 persons to collect 1 YFIN. So I will tell you trick to refer. Just copy your referral link and paste on another tab and search. You can also search this on Google at incognito mode. So it will open a new sales dashboard. It will ask your another Ethereum wallet address, which you can get from this app called as MetaMask. It is also a crypto wallet, just like Ethereum wallet, just like Trust wallet. Just click on this MetaMask and create your account. If after creating a master account, you have to just click on create a new account and it will make your account automatically. You can see here my account 18 is ready. Just click on this and receive and copy this link, wallet contact address, and paste it here. And it will show your successful refer. You can see here it's received 0.12 YFINs here also. And when we will check your main refer account, so you can see here your balance is 0.12 YFIN, which has been increased, and you have referred one person. So that was you only. So by repeating this process, just copy this link, paste on Google incognito mode, and make another account on MetaMask and paste there. You can refer as much as people as you can. If you referred 8 people, your balance will be 1.08 YFINs, which you can withdraw, and your withdrawal record will be shown here. And note that your YFIN will not be transferred immediately to your Trust wallet. You can see here their roadmap. It's August 2021. YFIN airdrop distribution, which is good for you. You can make as much as referred and earn and increase your balance and withdraw it. So like this video and share with your friends and family.